For this video, I will show you how to send an email with your Wix. First, click on your site. Now on the left sidebar, click on Marketing and Email Marketing. You can choose a template for your email or you can start email from scratch. For here, I will choose a template. Click on Edit Template. If you want to see other templates, click on the exit icon on the upper left corner. Then click on More Templates. Here you will see all the templates available for your email. After choosing one, you can now change its layout. You can add an element to your email. You can also change its background by clicking on Background. And that's it. If you are now done, just click on Next on the upper right corner. Now add in recipients for your email. You can choose target group or all contacts. Or you can add subscribers where they will be sent an email if they are subscribed to your website. Now click on Next. Then hit Publish if you're done. And that's it. You now can send an email with your Wix. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.